So yeah, I've got some baby birds inside my backyard. And I'm not for sure what type, but there's their nest. You can see it. Yeah. I'm not for sure what type they are, and I'm not going to touch them. Just to let y'all know, because that's really bad. It makes it where the mom won't come back to them. I know that. So, like, comment, subscribe, and can you leave us in the comment section what type of birds these look like? So, yeah. Here we go. Knock, knock. Hello. Finally got one to come up. Knock, knock. Y'all are sleeping. Knock, knock. How you doing, huh? How you doing, huh? So, yes. It is a bird. Birdies. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, I believe. They're all snug and tug. Oh, there's the mama. I can hear. Oh, there's one of them. One of the parents. Yeah, he was really close earlier. He pecked me a couple days ago. I'm not touching them, I'm touching them with the string that they have collected. Whoa, there was a bird. That flew really close. Oh, hello. Hello, beautiful, huh? Just look down your throat. Gross. Ew, gross. Ew. That's the only one that comes up ever. The other ones are alive, because I've seen them all 4 come up, and it looks hilarious. Yeah, that's about it. That's all they do. They're really boring, but it's very interesting. I was up here, and they were just eggs. So, yeah. My dad is fixing to go on a journey inside his big truck. Yeah. He'll be gone for like 3 weeks. And so, yeah, there's the mama. They almost look like scissor tails to me, because that's what the same bird flies over and over. It looks like a scissor tail. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and try to tell me what type of birds those are. Peace out, homies. Like always, stay thirsty, my friends.